Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if you're already subscribed, and welcome to my channel if you are not. It's Magically Musical here, and I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for my 19th birthday. And I hope that you like it. This is a different setup for me, so I have like my camera back behind me, and I'm looking in a mirror because I'm doing makeup. So, let me know what you think of that in the comments below. And let's go! So first off, we're going to brush our hair because when you just wake up, it's really... My hair is like wavy for some reason. Probably because, like, you know, wet hair, if you sleep on it, it's like super fun. Well, it's brushed. That's good enough for me. I'm gonna pull it back real quick. Nothing says I'm growing up too quickly and aging like a gray hair tie. And there we go. Right back in my face. Just tuck it behind my ear. Okay, so I'm going to do a full face of my Dream BB Pure 8-in-1 Beauty Balm Skin Clearing Protector from Maybelline. Unsponsored. So I'm going to do that over my face. Alright, so I'm just going to put this goop all over my face using this blender thingy, which I've still not ever used, so. It's very squishy. I like it. We're gonna use this side around my nose. As you're doing this part, you're going to want to make sure that you're blending down your neck and around your nose and your ears evenly so that it's all balanced. That covered everything. Now I look more tan because this is a little bit more orangey than my skin actually is. Now since my hair is layered and annoying the chickpeas out of me, I'm gonna pin it back. Just a bobby pin. That probably does not look great, but I'm gonna do my hair later, so Okay, so next I'm going to do some Vaseline on my lips so that they don't die. Even though they're already dead. Okay, got my brow palette. It's literally just an eyeshadow palette from e.l.f., if I'm being honest. So I literally like the cheapest, easiest stuff. It can look good if you know how to use it. I just take a very matte brown color. It's kind of like, I want to say like a milk chocolate kind of color because that's what I'm going for my brows because this is natural right now. So I just kind of fill them in how I feel like they should be. I have no reference, which is probably not great, but like, you know, just chill. I also can't really see that great because I'm looking in a mirror at an odd angle, but I have brow confidence. That's weird. Sorry. Okay, so then I got this blending eye brush from e.l.f. And then I got a new eyeshadow palette. I did, because I'm running out of like the 3 that I use in my other palette. I'm a weeb. But it's called The Nudes by Maybelline New York, and it's actually really cute. So I'm wearing a Wonder Woman shirt today that has a gold W on it, so I think we're gonna go with gold because I like gold. So I'm gonna do a gold shimmer that you also probably can't see. These are pretty pigmented, which is like exciting, I think. Unless this one's not nearly as pigmented. It's not. I used the brown the other day and it was really pigmented. This isn't even like... Apparently I just always look gold because this is doing like nothing to my eyelid. Probably I should put on primer actually. That probably would have been helpful. Alright, well since this isn't very noticeable, I'm actually going to do a brown and blend it in the crease and stuff. So just starting on the outside and then blending it in. Just to give my eyes a little bit of depth. Because we like that in an eyeball. We like our deep eyeballs. Yeah. I'm going to just do the same thing with the other eye. I don't know why I called this a get ready with me. It's really just like a 19th birthday makeup tutorial. For goddess eyes, because these are so cute. Okay, so now that I've got gold and brownie gold, I'm gonna do brown on the side there. That looks actually pretty good. I'm liking it so far. Okay, so next up I'm going to do some mascara. I actually bought a new one. It's CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. What? I actually really like this brush. I've been using the Colossal Volume Express. I think this is Maybelline. But like, this brush, I was like, oh, this is such a good brush. You can't see this either, can you? Anyways, oh, this is such a good brush. But it has been like so clumpy and like just annoying, and I keep getting chunks stuck in my eyelashes, so I was like, I need a new mascara. So I got one. I'm gonna put that on my eyelid. Ooh. Let me show you the brush. I don't know if it'll let me show you the brush. It doesn't that look so like thick and bulky and like you wouldn't think it's good? It's so nice. Like, seriously, it gives me so much volume to my lashes. You try not to stab yourself in the eye, obviously, like I do every time I do makeup. Well, that's that. Okay, and to finish the lip off, I'm going to just use a makeup that my mom gave me. I'm going to use a lipstick that my mom gave me at some point. It's kind of a nude color. I have no idea where it's from or what color it is. In the Pure Color Envy 130 Intense Nude Sculpting Lipstick. Estee Lauder, I want to say? But I don't know. So it looks like this. Gold and blue. But then it's like a maroon nude color. Of course, it's gonna be impossible for you to see it. It always is. I'm just gonna put that on, and then that's gonna complete our look. Alright, so that completes our makeup look. And make sure that you clean up any lipstick on the edges. If you haven't seen my lipstick tutorial, even though it's old and terrible, honestly, there are some good tips in there, so you should definitely check that out. But that's the completed makeup look for right now, and then I'm going to go into hair. Alright, so my hair's down, but I'm getting ready to curl it because that's my plans for today, because I like curly hair and also goes with my Wonder Woman shirt, so yeah. So I'm going to start out by using some Redken Heat Styling Thermo. Are you scared? Sorry, I have hedgehogs over there. I'm hedgehog sitting for my sister. Anyways, I'm going to spray this in my hair. I'm going to try not to spray my camera, so I'm going to just go back a little bit. Get it all in there, and then make sure it's kind of dry and well dispersed, you know, because you don't want to just fizzle your hair. I'm going to start from the front and do like a pretty curly curl because it's so hard to do my hair, personally. I have to segment mine into really small pieces because it's pretty thick. And then I just curl it in. Supposed to alternate it back and forth. Honestly, that's like my tip for you guys. Like go forwards and then backwards, but I don't know how to do backwards because my wrist is like not capable of doing that, I guess. I don't know, but just never been able to do that. And yes, it's gonna look hecka curly, but I'm gonna tousle it down a bit, so. Plus my hair never retains curl. So, that's nice. Good morning, Grandpa.
Good morning, hon. Happy birthday.
Thanks. Okay, so starting here, I decided to braid my hair back and then bobby pin it, but make it a loose braid, so I do loosen it up a little bit. And you can do this tight or however you want to do it. Maybe do a waterfall braid, but I'm not that talented. Alright guys, so that's going to be the finished look for our hair as well, and then I'm going to go change and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's my finished look. I've got my hair curled, my makeup on, my Wonder Woman shirt, and Florence black shorts. I hope that you guys liked that video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button or the bell notification if you haven't done those two already. And then have an awesome, wonderful, amazing, lovely day. Goodbye. Do it sideways? This is wrong.